You want me to come in, like...
Okay, hurry. We're buying cake mix. We're gonna make my mama a pinata cake, but we're looking as to what
start it off, you have
frosting.
2 different layers.
Frosting. I mean,
Cupcake
strawberry
flavor.
and that. Okay.
This is Dad's shopping cart.
So we're gonna choose candy to fill it with. I don't know what to choose though.
Please sponsor us, Power Patch Kids.
I would throw up if I had to eat those all the time. So we have eggs, ice cream,
Well, it's not going in my cake.
and that's going directly in the cake.
It's going in this cake.
We have 4 boxes of cake. Happy birthday candles, frosting, sprinkles, and candy. And there we have Mr. Weenie. I love him so much.
What are you narrating? What are you narrating to your viewers?
Nothing.
Just see you recording me and mouthing words behind the windshield. It was probably something cool, like Victor's so cool and hot.
Yep.
And he's gonna make the fattest cake. Well, actually, you're gonna make the fattest cake. I'm just gonna watch and have fun. I'm getting a shot of the ingredients, right? Because that's very aesthetic. There's happy birthday candles. There's a sprinkle set, which kind of looks like those little beads that you iron and they stick together when you make a design. There's buttercream frosting, cupcake flavor, strawberry flavored cake mix. One hungry dog. What was it again?
So we're going to preheat the oven.
Look at Lynn, she's a kid.
No! We're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so I saw a tutorial on how to make this. I'm hoping it works.
It doesn't seem too complicated. It's cake.
Is the lighting good in here, by the way?
It's pretty cool. It's got like kitchen lighting.
Wait, let's flip the camera screen up so I can see.
Okay.
We have this. Okay, you're supposed to talk. You're the one talking. You make it sound better than it really is.
I'm supposed to make it sound better? Okay, we bought this pan. It's made out of Mars rock, so you can cook any type of thing on it. You can even bake penny into the cake and nothing will stay sticking to it. Your choice, either that or we paid $1 at Walmart for the cheapest pan that we saw. Which sounds cooler to you?
No, I need your help to get it. That's what I'm saying.
1 second. Oh, okay, I see.
So my mom's, tell them why we're doing this.
It's Lindsay's mom's birthday.
It's my mom's birthday.
How old is she, Lynn?
She's gonna be...
Oh, that's a good point.
It's 7:58 right now. Sunday. Her birthday's on Tuesday. We're gonna do it before because I was gonna do the honey. And my mom to film this video.
And I'll be gone. Zoom in on the sadness.
Okay. Time's over.
Time to get to work and bake a cake.
So this should take
40 hours.
30 minutes each cake and I have to make 4.
So about 2 hours.
This is the Pillsbury Funfetti cake. Everyone's classic favorite.
There's already sprinkles in the cake. That's a plus. We had to get serial killer lighting ready.
Does it really look serial?
Well, it just looks like you're interrogating someone. But it is a lot more nicely lit.
This is our first time. Come look.
Cake batter.
That's all we have so far. So next we have to add 3 eggs and half a cup of oil and 1 cup of water.
And 1 baby soul.
3 eggs?
3 eggs. So grab 3 for now. This is the stage where magic will be made. 3 eggs? You got it. Look at those taps. Pure power. Strength, grace, combined. Ugh. Look at them wiggling there.
Penny, look at, she brought her toys.
You want cake, Pen? Do you want to eat raw egg whites, Pen? Pen?
Sorry, this is so bad. I keep moving. I feel like maybe the lighting would be better over here if I do this.
It's pretty good over here, actually. But don't point it directly, because if you point it directly, your shadow's going to be...
I know, that's fine.
You can grab the camera. I'll put this here for now.
That's me!
I know it's you.
Victor's. Don't look, it's bright.
From this angle, it kind of looks like you're wearing one of those headbands. It's like those workout sweat headbands, like your champ cake maker.
Are you looking into it?
I'm not looking into it, but I already got a shot of the inside. It's all goopy and gross. Everything mixed up proper. No one needs salmonella on their birthday.
Ew. Non-stick spray?
Because we can't afford Pam. Spray, 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 spray. Ooh, tag that shit up. Whoa. It's like making a Rice Krispies pancake. Looks like it's just like melted ice cream.
That's what it is.
Is it?
Give me the camera.
Okay.
Now it's your turn. Oh, she's gonna die.
Especially this. This isn't like a Peaks or something. This is really goopy.
Just shove it in there.
This is how Hansel and Gretel died. Just kidding.
And now we wait.
340 seconds? Oh,
Yeah.
that's a lot of time.
Do you think it's ready?
Yeah. That's ready. How do you take it out of the thing? Do it again. Mm-hmm. Work it.
Okay, now it is 9 o'clock and we're starting cake number
2. Toss it in there. It smells like a Pop-Tart. We're mixing Nesquik.
Nesquik.
Look at the nasty fridge.
No, don't look in there.
Look at the scandalous fridge.
Stop. Victor's
1.
mom said he used to cry about not drinking Nesquik.
Mm-hmm.
Strawberry milk. Like a baby.
Yikes.
Don't film that. It's dirty.
Here we go. Round 2.
Cracking that.
There's a little bit, it's not much.
Oh wait, I think
34.
I put 34.
Yeah. That egg. That egg. Give me the egg.
Now I'm in charge.
Where's the spoon used?
We are using Pillsbury Crackhead. Oh my god! Why are you ripping it like that? Where are you gonna put your egg?
It's me
Okay,
making it.
backstory. Victor has never made a cake before. This is his first ever cake.
Is this my first cake?
And look at how he tore open the box.
There's cake in my pants.
He is pouring in the powder.
Not so easy to come up with
No, it is. It is. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh.
Who's slow now? Huh? Who's slow now? Could it be Lindsay Slobies?
My children are in here.
What?
Ew, that looks disgusting.
Is that half? That's half. Yes, that's half. Yeah. Ew.
ASMR. Ew.
So now time for the taste test.
Ew, Victor, stop. Still stirring the tubby custard. Stir, baby, stir. Look at those forearms. Have you been running? Have you been running?
It's probably from work, Lynn. Stop.
Is it making it harder for you to turn?
I'm gonna splash some on you.
No!
Why are your hands so cold?
Because he's already... I don't know. Are they cold, really?
Unless you want to play like the slow down version of that when I mix this.
This is where I keep getting it from. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
I try to look possessed. Okay.
And then you pour it into the pan.
That looks mixed.
This one's all you, buddy.
That's so well mixed. This is
It's
two
too
layers.
big, so we have 2 layers already.
We're already making the 4th, unfortunately.
But I think Victor's gonna take that home with him and just be like, I love you, Ma. here's cake. So we have Airhead bites. We're gonna start filling in the cake.
You're eating the candy.
I'm just tasting it. It's very good.
It's gonna taste like Airheads. You never had an Airhead?
No. Okay, yeah, we have enough candy. What the heck?
Cream. What? You don't think I'm good
Okay,
baker?
that's good. Damn, this bitch.
Bad word, Penny. Cover your ears. What are the... You never know.
No, don't look at my feet. I think we didn't do the fourth cake.
Because we're running out of frosting already?
Yeah.
Damn, are we not gonna have enough?
These sprinkles have little stars in them.
Do we have enough sprinkles?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the real question.
We have enough.
Pile it.
No, it's piling it.
It looks like I Spy.
Damn.
Oh my god, Victor.
He's doing a great job. Oh, I see Victor's smart. He's doing the thing. Start editing for you. Penny says she can put it in her mouth and spit it off.
No pen. Okay, here we are. It is now
Master chefs.
almost midnight. And
I don't have the cake because the cake is ugly.
no, the cake looks good.
There it is. It's covered in sprinkles. Hand placed every
Come
single
closer
one.
and cover the almond milk.
I hand placed every. I hand placed every. They're falling off. Well, I hand placed every single one,
Oh, that's it right there.
so that's why it took so long.
And there's a patch that.
Well, that had sprinkles on them.
Happy birthday to mom.
Happy
we made
birthday
this.
to Lindsay's mom. We made a pinata cake.
We hope you like it. Sadly, Victor's not here to finish the vlog.
Put a picture of him right by your face.
Miss you, buddy. Now, follow me. Oh, she peed on the floor.
Where? Oh. Yeah, you can't really see it on.
Okay, push pause. Dad. I was doing it. No, it's fine. It's funny. And you know how
Oh,
when
yeah,
the
now you
writing
did.
gets really small at the end when you don't
Oh,
fit
yeah.
things? Just scoot it over. He's already in. I'm gonna rewatch it just because I missed that show.
What show?
Chamber.
I know.
V.I.
Nomás no lo prestó un rato. Está aquí.
Perfect.
Happy birthday to you.
Center, the circle is right here. So,
Right here?
yeah.
Watch el pastel.
Oh no.
I'm
Can you
scared.
get a bigger slice? Like a big slice.
I'm nervous.
And then you take the slice out.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
My heart is beating.
A ver si funciona.
A ver si funciona.
Sí va a funcionar, que ya funcionó. Como que estamos aquí juntos
Grab
disfrutando
the popcorn.
de lo que importa.
¿Por qué?
Para.
Oh my.
Oh, there it is! It worked!
Alright!
And there's the inside.
Good job!
Era lo novedoso del pastel.
Porque mira todo el dulce que está ahí
Y
adentro.
sabe que me gustan
Happy
los dulces.
birthday.
Oh,
Está lleno de
thank
dulces.
you.
Yay, it worked.
No.
Victor
Good job,
wanted to
Duffy.
see.
Esa era la...
Thanks.